I've been seeing videos of people taking Lego and buying it and selling it, flipping it basically. So I figured I'd try hand it this myself. Let's see what happens.
This is the box that I found and purchased, primarily because you can see there's this car on the left, and there's another Technic car on the right. And I thought, oh, I'll be able to put the pieces together from this and assemble them and flip them. So I bought it. I spent $32.75.
So, looks like the bag is stuck with hot tape. Oh, it's all going to fall apart when I pull this back. Ooh, I bet this is like, can't get it on the screen. It's part of a falcon. I wonder how much more there is in here.
You could show me.
Ooh. Alright. I saw this. I'll figure out what is in a little bit. Oops. This is a Technic car. Hopefully the rest of the car is in here somewhere. And I think this is a DeLorean. Well, I started piecing together. I found pieces of that Falcon, Bugatti, the DeLorean. The most complete thing is that dots set. So I guess I go to work on eBay.
We have the truck from 6246, which came with a light brick, but the light brick, I couldn't test it out. The battery must be dead. Next is only the spinning mechanism from 76945. I can't even pronounce it. The Triceratops Dinosaur Bike Chase. An incomplete Ninjago Velocity Racer. The most complete thing that I had was dots. Lots of Lego dots. I found a bunch of gray pieces that were the old gray. As I investigated, I'm pretty certain this is from 4483, the AT-AT, which looks like an AT-AT that Jinjarin threw off a cliff. Now, this was the one that I had eyed in the box, the Bugatti Bolide. I thought this was going to be a treasure. There was going to be a lot of pieces in here, and I didn't find anything else. It wound up being chewed up. And even the pistons, when I tried it, that mechanism wasn't working. But I got it to work, and let me tell you, getting this thing to work, it was pretty satisfying in and of itself. Before I get to the last two sets, I had 1 pound 3/4, and I just grouped those into a lot and listed them. The first thing that sold was the Millennium Falcon parts. Sold almost immediately. I listed at $19.99, and after eBay takes its cut, I had $15.37 back. I managed to sell the DeLorean. I took the best offer. Somebody offered me $22. That winds up being $17 after eBay fees. And if you subtract all the proceeds off, I am now only short 38 cents. The next thing I sell of all that lot is going to be profit.
There you have it. That was my first foray into buying a Lego box and trying to flip it. It's a lot of fun. And I'll let you know. Let you know how it turns out and if I can sell those rest of those pieces and if I do make a profit. Thanks for joining in. See you later in the next video.